Good morning everyone. Today's assembly is conducted by Class 11B. Our topic is World Development Information Day. So let's start with the morning prayer.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by a narrow domestic world, where the words come out from the depths of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms toward perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the daily learning sand of that habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country away.
India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning. The thought for the day is we never change things by fighting the existing reality. To change something, we need to make a new model that makes the existing model obsolete. Its meaning is we can never change things by fighting for what exists. The way to change something is by building the new model which will make the existing model outdated. Thank you.
World Development Information Day. Development plays as a crucial role in our lives, from personal to global. Development is what we always look forward to. Recognizing this needs and importance for the dissemination of information, the United Nations celebrates World Developmental Information Day every year on October 24th. The UN General Assembly in 1972 established the World Developmental Information Day to direct people's attention towards developmental problems and the needs to strengthen international cooperations to solve them. The main aim of this day is to propagate information and mobilize public opinion, especially among young people, in order to draw their attention and create awareness of the problems surrounding development promoting efforts in the field of international cooperation for growth and development. The UN General Assembly in 1964 established the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development with the primary objective of formulating policies relating to all aspects of development including trade, transport, aid, finance and technology. The United Nations Conference of Trade and Development is a part of the UN Secretariat. Prior to officially announcing 24th October as the World Development Information Day, the UN Conference on Trade and Development proposed measures for dissemination of information and for the mobilization of public opinion relative to trade and development problem on May 17, 1972.
Good morning. Today's word for the day is accreditation. It is spelled as ACCREDITATION. The meaning of accreditation is official approval given by an organization stating that someone or something has achieved a required standard. It can be used in sentence like the school lost its accreditation after a year of poor test result. I repeat my word, accreditation. Thank you.
Good morning. Today, I, Dimpy of Class 11B, will be telling you about today's national and international news. Firstly, some national news. Pakistan has violated ceasefire over 3,800 times, says MEA. Bharat Biotech's co-vaccine gets approval for Phase 3 trials in India. Government has set aside Rs 50,000 crore to vaccinate the entire country, says report. Now some international news. Remdesivir becomes first drug to be fully approved for COVID-19 by US. China and Germany heading for superpower status, says Russian President Vladimir Putin on Thursday. US urges other countries to pull back from UN nuclear ban treaty.
Now let's move on to the sports corner. Chris Gale to play for Sohail Khan-owned Candy Tusker in Lanka Premier League. NSW government allows Indian team to train in quarantine. Indian women player reaches UAE for Women's IPL. Now some economic news. Indian economy set for a near double-digit contraction this fiscal. RBI issues guideline for self-regulatory organization for payment system. Reserve Bank bars payment system operators from launching new QR codes. Now some weather forecast. The minimum temperature expected would be 21 degrees Celsius and maximum would be 29 degrees Celsius. 60% chances of precipitation. And that's all for today. Hope you would have gained some knowledge. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।